So I went to the grocery store, had a big list of stuff to get. A couple of the items on that list I just could not find. Just couldn't find them. I searched and I searched. And while I was searching, I ended up over in the vegetable, the fresh veggies section, and I found some cool stuff. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a celery root. I bought two of them. Let me show you the other one. Look at that. So that's the side with the roots that go down into the ground, and then this is the side that puts up the stalks, you know, the green part that grows on top. See that? It's cool, isn't it? Really interesting. Really, really kind of. It almost reminds me of a little brain. Got the brain stem sticking down and the nerves and all that stuff. I almost expect to have eyeballs stuck to it. I know it's weird. Strange way of thinking. That's what it looked like. Like, oh my gosh, are those eyeballs? I don't know. Celery root. So we've got it's almost like a 3 foot by 2.5 foot, and then maybe a foot and a half deep thing for putting dirt in for planting plants. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to get some good dirt. We're going to put it in that thing. We're going to plant these two, both of these. We're going to plant both of these in that planter. And what we're going to do is we're going to let them grow. I'm going to feed them. I'm going to take care of them, water them, and then on top we'll have the stalks come up. And as the stalks grow, and if we decide we need a little bit of celery for a meal we're cooking, we'll just, cut off or snap off, break off, whatever, a stalk or two off of our celery plant. And, and then my goal is to get these things to uh, put up flowers, right? And they call that bolting when the plant wants to put up stems and put flowers on top. Uh, so they'll bolt, they'll put little flowers on top, and we'll have those flowers pollinated, and then the little flowers will turn into seeds. So we'll have seeds from these that we can start fresh and grow a bunch more plants. And between these two celery root, then we'll be able to have hundreds of seeds just off of these two things right here. And my goal is to grow a lot of it. I've got 5 acres out there, and my goal this spring is to have well, a wonderful garden. I want to call it a victory garden, uh, but I think it's just going to be one big, huge miracle garden, is what it's going to be. It's going to be a miracle if I can get it to work, because historically, I work and I work and I work, try, and things just don't turn out right. Maybe this time around, we'll see, won't we? So anyway, wish me luck on our celery plants, and wish me luck on getting these things to grow and um, make seeds and give us food from now until you know until we don't do it anymore. So um, that's some crazy looking stuff right there. uh, ooh, talk to you later.